So welcome to our new class, HTML boilerplate. Every HTML doc requires a boilerplate code. This boilerplate provides basic structure and essential element needed for a web page. That means that immediately you want to start a page, this structure must be there first before any other thing. Even if you have 20 pages, this structure must be in each and every page before you start doing any other thing. So first thing we have there is doc type. We have doc type HTML. Then this doc type HTML then simply shows that we are using the latest HTML5. It tells our browser that, look, we are using the latest HTML5. After that, we are going to have HTML itself. Then this HTML, you can see, it is the root. It is the root of our page. Now, we can, inside our HTML, now specify the language we are building on. Saying EM means English, saying FR means French, and so on and so forth. Then, inside this, our HTML as our root, we now have what is called our head tag. So you can see it has also open and close. Now this our head tag then contains key information about our documents. So now inside this head tag, one of the key information it will contain will be title. It will be title. Then this is the title of your web page, which is this page, the title of it. Okay, let's see. If we run this now, you can see we are just having. Now let us we can give this title and say, call this title HTML tutorial. Then if we run this, you can see we are not having our title now. Our title is now HTML tutorial. Let me go back and run it again. I've changed it. You can see we now have a new title. If I change that title to simply HTML, you can see we have a title HTML. Okay, so the next one we can talk about is our body. Our body. So the body contains all the visible content in our web page. Anything we want to see in our browser should be inside the body. So then, and anything you are going to put inside this body must also come with what? Tags. So I am here is where I will now start my coding. I will now start my coding. Maybe I want to put my heading having tutorial. Then after that, maybe I want to put my paragraph and says, welcome to VigNet Mobile Dev Tutorial. So let us run it again. So we have, can see. Now, this is our visible area. And because it's showing, because they are all inside the body. Now, after that, we also have what is called, what we may have inside our heading known as meta. They are known as meta. Now, this meta ensures like this meta shows the important information for our browser. One of the information this meta can show is something like chat set. Then the chat set is a UTF-8. This chat set UTF-8, or then simply just a way, always our computer stores number, letters, and special then character. So it uses that format to store number, special character, and letters. Another meta we may normally see again is important meta we may normally see is viewpoint. So then this viewpoint and content, this viewpoint and content ensures that it ensures the content are displayed correctly in different devices. Now, this may not be ways of having all this, because you don't have to be writing this all the time. Now, this is what we call a boilerplate. But now, to make things easier for us, in every IDE you are using, in every code editor you are using, there must be a way in which all this will be generated automatically for you. For here, I will simply say HTML5. So you can see I have all that. You can see the name is viewpoint, the contact is width, device width, initial scale 1.0. You can see the meta HTTP equivalent, also then chat set UTF-8. So you can see inside our body, so we can give our title something HTML. So you can see we still have similar thing. And this will make you not to make any mistake getting this automatically. If we are using, we can put something in our body now, maybe using our P tag, we may say welcome. And say hello HTML. Okay. So now we have all this. If you are using VS Code, in VS Code, you simply have to type exclamation mark and press enter. All this will show. When you install what is called emmet, sometimes it comes pre-installed. So if you are using free version, this may not you may not see this in free version. If you are using paid version, it will be easily integrated for you. Okay, then if you don't have it, you can go to Google and type for HTML boilerplate. If you type HTML boilerplate, look at this free code camp, or even here. So many of them, you will see it in so many links. Just click and open. Once you click and open, you can see the boilerplate. Just copy it. You don't have to know it. Knowing them, I have explained what they are, is enough for you. So copy it and paste. You can see we still have the same thing. You can see it. So what we are going to do now is just simply we don't need, for now, this is JavaScript. You can see it is a script. It is used for JavaScript. So you can remove it. We have not done CSS. You can see this is for CSS. So you can remove it. If you like, you can leave it, no problem. But you can remove it so we can concentrate on HTML. You can see we have our title known as HTML5 boilerplate. If we click to run it, we see the title there. So you can edit your title if you want, maybe to whatever you want to build, my new app. So you can see we have our title. Okay, so we have set up our next tutorial will be so fast because already anything we are going to build next, we'll just copy this and paste and start our tutorial. So this is what we call the boilerplate, and this is the structure, and it's essential for all web page to have it. Thank you.